ANRA Technologies to provide New York Power Authority with MissionManager Drone Operation Software, Drones for Power Line Inspections. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. The New York Power Authority will use drones for power line inspections, and airspace management leader ANRA Technologies has been chosen to provide the New York Power Authority, NYPA, with its MissionManager software as part of a 5-year contract. This new agreement will see ANRA equip NYPA with technology enabling the deployment of robotics for use in conducting transmission line inspections and observation required for power restoration following weather events. MissionManager will help NYPA reach the goals it set in its Vision 2030 strategic plan, as well as aid in the advancement of New York's Climate Leadership and Community Protection Act clean energy agenda. As the nation's largest state public power organization, the New York Power Authority promotes innovation that supports energy efficiency, the development of clean energy technologies and programs that will help reduce greenhouse emissions, said NYPA's Senior VP for Power Supply, Brian says. We are pleased to be able to use systems like the mission management software that will help us meet our Vision 2030 strategic goals as we work to help create a more resilient New York powered by clean energy. With smart technology like this mission management software, NYPA staff can improve awareness and operational information sharing throughout our enterprise and communications with our stakeholders. ANRA's Mission Manager will give NYPA a means to safely manage its robots, lowering the risks faced by frontline NYPA employees who would potentially be put in dangerous situations when conducting in-person inspections. This software will increase NYPA's enterprise-wide shared situational awareness while also allowing for faster response times and improved workflow during regular operations and emergency response events. ANRA will also be collaborating with NYPA in the development of a solution satisfying the criterion for a software platform compatible with existing NYPA tools and services that provides increased capabilities. We are thrilled to collaborate with an enterprise like NYPA that uses air, sea, and land systems that will be integrated, managed, and operated with our single software platform, said ANRA Technologies founder and CEO Amit Gondo. Our background and experience working with the FAA, NASA, and Fortune 50 enterprises will help ensure safety of the mission while enabling the technology that ultimately reduces risk for the NYPA teams that work hard and in sometimes potentially hazardous conditions.